In this video, I'm going to demonstrate you a very beautiful Madhubani art. So first, I have covered my notebook with white chart paper. If you don't have white chart paper, you can use any other paper instead of the chart paper. So now I'm doing the outlines with a very light pencil. The pencil you can choose of your own choice. So you have to do in the similar manner. Now we have to highlight the outlines with black permanent marker. If you don't have black permanent marker, you can also use any black gel pen or ball pen also. So now I am starting with the details. Now I am using black Agni IC, sorry, not black, red Agni IC pen. So to draw the leaves. Now I'm using green color. Actually this is brush pen. So in this whole video I have used brush pen. If you don't have brush pen, you can also use acrylic paint or poster colors. This is completely your choice. Okay. So now I'm doing the face portion of the fish with this pink marker, not marker, brush pen, sorry. So you have to do in the similar manner. And in case you find any query regarding this video or any other video, you can comment in the comment section and you can ask me. Madhubani art is a 2500 years old traditional art form originated in the Mithila region of Bihar, and I also belong to Bihar only, and hence I love doing this painting very much. You can see several videos in this channel, on my channel. And in this painting, what are the key concepts of this painting? So if you are doing Madhubani art, then you should keep in mind about all these things. So first, we use the double line concept. That means every object we make has double lines as their outlines. Next, vibrant matlab bright colors are used in this painting, and mostly no space is left empty in this painting. So these three are the key events in this painting. So if you are doing, you have to keep all these things in your mind. And one more thing, this Madhubani art is also known as Mithila painting, as it is originated from the Mithila region of Bihar, and it's a very beautiful painting. Again, I'm using my red pen to make the intricate designs. If you don't have red pen, as I've told you before also, you can also use brush. Which brush? Liner brush, 000 or 00 liner brush. Okay, so you have to do in the similar manner. You can see many of you often ask me that why don't you upload videos regularly. Okay, so for them I'm giving you the answer. Actually, I'm a teacher by profession. Yes, you heard the right thing. I'm a teacher by profession. I'm a biology teacher, and because of that, because of my school, I don't get much time. But whenever I get time, I always try to create a video for you. Okay, so that's why my videos are not uploaded regularly. Now I'm using black pen for the outline and for the leaf. You can see this is just normal black pen. Here also I'm using my black pen, and now it's turned for red. For the designs, they are, again I'm repeating, they are brush pens. Okay, in case you recreate this painting or any other drawing or painting or any craft work from my channel, then one thing to tell you, that my community tab is always open for you all. You all can post there, and you can also tag me on my Instagram handle while posting your video or this photo. I'll happy to review your work. The link of my Instagram handle is given in the description box. So please go and check. And now again I'm using this red pen. This is a normal Agni IC red pen. Okay. So I'm making the designs with this brush pen in alternative way. Now I'm using red. Okay, so you have to do in the similar manner. I'm just coloring the whole border with orange. The color combination will look very good when the painting will be completed. Okay, so just color all the border portion with orange. One more thing, if you want the handles, you can see the one I'm pointing, you can just make leaves onto them. They will also look very good. I have told you in this video that in Madhubani paintings, generally no space is left empty. So now it's time to color the background. Okay, and one more thing, not only the background, inside the background also some patterns are made. But due to lack of time, I have not made the patterns in the background. So I'm just coloring the background. Now we have reached to the end part of this video. I hope you must have enjoyed the video and found this video useful. If yes, then don't forget to share your valuable comments in the comment section and share with your friends. And also share your queries in the comment section.